See again, I think let us not link with what has happened recently, especially that the day where the funeral takes place with our late cherished thank you. The crowd, they just came by themselves, and ultimately we can't help it. Ultimately we can't help it. That's what I'm telling you right now. Why government wanted to transfer the ownership, let me use that word, ownership has to be owned by individual as well as by the household of each and every household in the state of India. If you say that no government has to feed us, I think that is wrong. Because as I said to you, when we issue SOP, when we issue notification, it is not for the interest of the government. It is not for anything, it is for the safety of each and every individual, each and every household throughout the state. So what we are doing right now from the department and as well as from the government, why recently we decided that participation of each and everyone, and of course we do have local institution which is known as Rambashno, competition, local headmen in each and every locality, in each and every village. Now, as I said to you, this time government is partnering the responsibility between the state government, between the government and also the Rambashno, the competition of each and every village, so that we will be able to really take care of people in different parts of the state.